Okay. So, have you guys heard about stealing sneezes? I'm sure some of you guys know what it is, but for those who don't, it's when someone's making their wind-up face and you just start shouting bless you and it takes away their sneeze. And it's the most rewarding feeling ever. At least for the stealer, not necessarily for the sneezer. Well, Kevin doesn't believe that they're real. And we're going to prove him otherwise today. Bless you, 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 bless you. Oh, I've made a huge mistake. You are cleaning that up. No. Oh. It's on my keyboard.